Well, hello everybody, welcome, and we're back at our favorite place. And I'm here because, well, they've got buy one, get one free brawny paper towels. Yep. And you know you want to know. So come on in, and we're going to talk about some really important and awesome information. And I do have some awesome information for you. So on your way in, please like the video, leave an emoji, leave a comment. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, let's get you subscribed. Yep, look below, hit that red button, and then that notification bell, and make sure it says all. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information, or field trips. This is a combination of all the above. All right, guys. I'm super excited because I just got some great news. Yep. It seems that the clearance event is still going on until October the 5th. And by that, I mean the POG clearance and the stuff on the clearance aisle. So if you thought you missed out, like me, because I had to work, you have another opportunity to go get whatever's left. Because you know it's been picked over. But there's usually a lot of stuff left. So, you know, if you didn't get a chance to go, get out there and get you some of this awesome savings. And we still have a lot of lawn and garden stuff that's on the clearance. But I'm here to talk to you about just a really awesome daily deal. We've got a brawny paper towel coupon for buy one, get one free. And you know how I like my paper towels. Well, brawny is the best. Okay, you can use brawny for napkins. You can even use brawny for scrubbing your sink. So for a tough paper towel, brawny's it. And they're very pricey. So anytime I can get them cheaply, like buy one, get one free, I'm on it. We're going to do that. We're going to do another offer that's going to end up being buy one, get one free. Yep. And then I've got a $2 coupon. Now, those of you who have multiple accounts, check on those multiple accounts. They're giving away that $2 coupon again if you have not used those accounts recently. So I've got one of those, and I'm going to be utilizing that with this deal. So let's go in and see what other kind of deals we can get. Not to mention, we got 2 freebies that I'm going to pick up as well. So let's head into the store. Did you do it yet? Did you like my video? I know you did. And of course, you left me a comment and an emoji. And I want to thank you before we go into the store, because it's super, super important. It keeps us out there in the YouTube algorithm, because you know how YouTube is. There's so many of us that they don't mind kicking you down a notch or two if things just aren't just so. So please make sure you do all those little goodies for me and share the video, even if you have to share it to yourself. Love you bunches for doing so. Okay, guys, let's head in the store and get some goodies. Alright, everybody, this is my first deal that we're picking up. We are picking up 2 brawny paper towels because we got a buy one, get one free coupon. So 2 for $5. Cannot beat that for the brawny. And look, I found a free item. This is the children's Allegra, $8.95 on clearance. It's $4 and some change. But more importantly, you've got a $5 coupon, I think, or a $4 coupon. Anyway, it's close enough for free. So if you find this and you need this, my granddaughter needs allergy medicine, so I'm going to pick this up. Can't pass up the price. Plain and simple. Almost a freebie. Now, we also have a 50% off of the bounty, but we're not going to do the bounty right now. We're just going to stick with the brawny, and we have a sale on the Viva 2 for $8. That's $1.50 off right there, with no coupons needed, by the way. And now let's look at the second part of my deal. we have got a buy one get one free air wick, and it is working on this 650 double packs. Okay, so it'd be $6.50 for 2 of these, and then we've got a $4 off the Airwick Advanced plug-in. And guess what? It works with all the Airwick refills, and this is absolutely free. So yeah, free, free, free. You know how I feel about that word. Now, doing this buy one get one free sale right here is a great way to get things that you can give as generic gifts for Christmas. Because like I said, that thing is right around the corner, guys. So if you do coffee cups and that kind of stuff, okay, you've got a huge selection. Dinnerware, kitchen organization, that's the canisters. So, I mean, it covers a lot. I would scan, okay, but like I said, a lot of this stuff you can use for gifts. Look at this is a really cool water bottle, guys. And it's a generic gift. Head up to the register and see where we end up with how much we've got to pay out. And I'll see you in the car and let you know. Has anybody been able to find that the Rockstar's can of Rockstar drinks? I don't drink them, but I've been looking for them so that I can use my coupon and I'll give the Rockstar to somebody else. But I've not been able to find the Rockstar. So, alright, let's head on up to the register. Okay, everybody, we are back at the house, and let's have a look at my fiasco of a deal. Yep, fiasco, guys. And 25 minutes plus discussing it with Dollar General manager. But let's have a look at what I ended up with. The only thing that actually worked on this deal was the Brawny paper towels and the Allegra. And this Airwick thing, I think. Not really sure, and you're going to see why here in just a minute. These new receipts are terrible, and they told me today that they've already had another update, and it's changed stuff even more. So let's have a look at our new receipts again to see how confusing they can be. Now, you can see I got the 2 Brawny paper towels. I got the Airwick, which is buy one, get one free. I scanned everything. Okay. And now when we did this, my out-of-pocket came to $19 and change. Now, yes, I know that's too much. $19.08. That's with tax. Taxes was $2.45. So, $17 and change. Okay. Is what this is. But that's not what it should have been. It should have been a lot cheaper. And the only thing that I can figure out on this receipt, and I'm going to show you the receipt and tell you what should have come off, and I don't think the Airwick came off in any way, shape, or form. So, let me get the math real quick. Okay, let's have a little bit of math here. $31.81 is what all these items came to, okay? I had a 2 off of 10. That did work and come off. The $5 off the Brawny, I'm pretty sure it came off. The $6.50 off the Airwick did not come off. The warmer, I think, came off. And the Allegra came off. However, the Allegra came off. And that's where... okay, that's going to be an issue right there. The Allegra came off as a, like a penny product, because I had a $4 coupon if that actually came off. And, I think it did, because when I went back and checked, that was no longer on my account. The Brawny was no longer on my account, and I don't believe the $4 Airwick was on my account still either. So, but this is, to me, what should have happened. It was, as I said, $31.81. And with all those coupons coming off, $22.50 in coupons. Alright, now, again, let's just go. I'm going to change it a little bit because I forgot about the Allegra being just a $4 and I think 81-cent coupon, because it's just going to give me that for a penny. Yeah, even though the $5 didn't come off, the $4 and change came off of the Allegra, which would have made it a free product. Okay, now like I said, I didn't change it up because the difference is only like 16 cents with this. Now I'm looking at $22.50 in coupons, okay? Let's just say $21.50 because of the Allegra thing at very best, alright? At the very best. We're going to make a $1 adjustment for that Allegra difference. So after the $22.50 in coupons come off, we were looking at $9.31, okay? And then of course taxes was $2.45. And then that's going to, with the adjustment, is going to leave an out-of-pocket of $12.76. Now that's what it should have been. Instead it ended up being $16 and change, and with taxes was $19.08. So trying to decipher this receipt was craziness. I had a manager trying to decipher it. I was trying to decipher it, and we just couldn't understand it. So, and one of the reasons, let's have a look at my actual receipt. Now, as you can see where everything is coming off, for $4.48, I think, is the 50% off of the Allegra. And then the $4.14, I think, is the coupon for the Allegra, since you don't get it all the way for free. And then the Airwick Advanced Warmer. But look, $3.70 is how much it says it's giving me that for. Yet it's ringing up for $4. Right there, rings up for $4. But then it's telling me, you know, $3.70. Though it says it's giving a promotion of 30 cents. I mean, I'm just not, it's not showing where it's subtracting it to me. So, and then there's my $2 off of my 10. This is absolute craziness for what you're looking at. Because you're looking at $13 and some $14 and change in coupons just right here that are showing up. So like I said, I don't know what happened, what went wrong. All I know is it is definitely wrong. And when I went to take it back in to return some of the Airwick, the cashier didn't want to give me back what it said to give me back. So I'm going to wait and take it to another store. Just, yeah. Anyhow, let's talk about what did work. The Bounty paper towels worked, guys. And like I said, I'll be taking everything else back. This worked, so I'll be giving this to my daughter for my granddaughter. This worked, I'll be keeping this. And what I'm probably going to do is return these and try to use another account and redo the deal. This is still on the same account. So I may try to use the same account and redo the Airwick deal, because it still is a good deal at buy one get one free. Now once I return the Airwick, these 4 items, my out-of-pocket is going to be $3. It's going to be $3.63 before taxes. So that's a winner chicken dinner. That's $1 item. Yep, or a little less. So, daily deal, guys. go get you some brawny paper towels, an Airwick, and if you can find these, pick these up. You have till October the 5th on the Allegra. And even if you don't find this at this price, this is $8.95. That means it's not going to be much more than this regular price. So with $5 off, you're still only paying like $3 or $4 for this stuff, even if it's not on clearance. So if you need allergy medicine for your kids, this is a great way to get it at a super good price. So, the daily deal that we know of for sure today that works, it's going to be 2 brawny paper towels. You've got a $5 off. That's going to make that $5 out of pocket. And this Airwick Advance, which is going to be absolutely free. So $5 for 3 items, not bad, considering they're paper towels. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon because we have a lot of small deals, and I'm going to be letting you know all about them in the next video.